Tired of missing out on chatting with your buddies while diving into Warzone Mobile? No problem at all. In this guide, I'll show you how to tackle that pesky voice chat problem on your iPhone. Let's jump right into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. Check in-game settings. First off, fire up Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. Once you're in the lobby, tap the gear icon to access the settings. Now, tap on Audio. Towards the bottom, you'll spot the voice chat option. Simply toggle it on. Now, head back to the settings, scroll down a bit, and tap on Social. After that, switch to the Voice tab. From there, toggle on Auto Join Voice Chat and Party Only Game Voice channel. Then, turn off the Mute Yourself by default when connecting to a channel and start each match with Push to Talk as default features. Now, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Grant microphone access to Warzone Mobile. For this one, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Microphone. Here, you'll find a list of apps that can use your microphone, including COD Warzone. If you see that COD Warzone doesn't have permission to use your microphone, just toggle it on. Now, see if that did the trick for you. Solution 3. Reinstall Warzone Mobile. To begin, open up Settings again. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you locate COD Warzone, then tap on it. Next, hit the Delete App button. Tap on Delete App again and it will be uninstalled. Now, open the App Store and search for COD Warzone. Tap on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile from the search results. Next, tap the Download button to download and install it. Once the game is installed, the issue should be resolved. So there you have it. That's how you fix the issue of voice chat not working in Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button. Have any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for tuning in.